up, YouTube? This is Clay, 505 Motorsports TV. Hey, want to just do a brief rundown, kind of show you what's sitting in the showroom floor behind me here. So quickly, 68 Camaro RS, amazing. 69 Camaro Z28 RS, numbers matching, super cool. And a very special 69 Camaro Copo ZL1 Tribute, not the real deal, but a real deal aluminum 427 motor. So stay tuned, keep watching. We're gonna get back and break this down later. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. So if you dig cars like I do, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. All right, YouTube Nation, so what I got behind me here is a pretty special 69 Camaro ZL1 recreation. So for those of you that know Copo ZL1s in the Camaro world, this is a pretty special car. This is a 427 all aluminum, somewhere to the neighborhood of 500 horsepower. This is a fully documented original engine with all the matching components: heads, intake manifold, correct carburetor, exhaust manifolds, all the way down to the stamping numbers. This car is so special, it even comes with its own poster. So just to give you an idea, this thing breaks down this car, and we'll do a nice little photograph just so you can read this, but this tells you all the casting numbers that go with this engine. So what we've done on this car is, this is not the original Copo car. We built this car around the Copo engine. So if you've ever tried to find a real aluminum 427 Copo engine, $50,000, $60,000 for a basket case motor. So running 500 horse, amazing built car. This car was built to replicate the 59th Copo that came off the showroom floor. This is a 10-point restoration car. 1 out of 10, this is the 10. So high dollar, concourse restoration. Underside is beautiful, body off, amazing interior, 4-speed of course. So we will make sure to dig into this car deeper. Just know it is for sale at 505 Motorsports, $85,000. If that floats your boat, this is the one to go in your garage. So stay tuned, we'll get into some more depth later. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Now I want to focus on this classic 69 Z28. This is an all original numbers matching 69 Z28. This is the original color combo that this car started with when it rolled off the assembly line. Cortez silver, black stripes, vinyl top, standard interior, deluxe standard interior with the black vinyl seats. So this car, I've acquired this car in 2005. It's been with me off and on through my collection over the years. Numbers matching, all original, 302 motor, 4-speed, everything you would expect. Oh, and to top it off, Rally Sport. Very few Z28s carried the Rally Sport package. So stay tuned, we'll move on to the next Camaro, be waiting. The last piece of the puzzle is our 68 Camaro RS. So factory 327, a few upgrades. This has got a little bit of modification to it, a nice pulley, chrome pulley system. Vinyl top is original, black interior. So this is also the RS package, automatic, so highly desirable, butternut yellow. So we will break these down later. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Click on us if you like us, share us. We'll talk soon.